The sixth chapter of Sutrasthana in Charaka Samhita and the third chapter of Sutrasthana in Ashtanga Hridayam talk about the seasonal changes that occur in the body, how they affect Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and the dietary and lifestyle guidelines one can follow to maintain a balance of doshas during these seasons and avoid diseases. This process is called as Rutucharya in Ayurveda. In this video, let's look at the Rutucharya corresponding to the Hemanta Rutu or the winter season. This happens in the Sanskrit months of Kartikaha and Margashirshaha, which correspond to the period between October to December in the Gregorian calendar. You can watch this video to learn more about the basics of Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and this video to learn more about the ancient Ayurvedic textbooks in Sanskrit language. The Sanskrit channel is an effort to explore a vast variety of topics from original Sanskrit literature. If you wish to support this effort, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon or make a one-time contribution through these options. Your support will help us create more of these videos more frequently on more number of topics. Do check out all the links in the description below. As the outside temperature starts to drop in Hemanta Rutu, the bodily temperature, Agni, starts to recede into the body. This causes an increase in the digestive fires, and if the right kind of food is not available, it may severely affect the dhatus or the building elements of the body. In Charaka Samhita, Acharya Charaka says, Shite Shitanila Sparsha Samruddho Balinam Bali Pakta Bhavati Hemante Matra Dravya Guru Kshamaha. This means during Shita Kala, the winter season, due to the contact of cold wind, Shita Anila, Agni or the digestive power moves deeper into the body. This fire then becomes strong enough to digest food that is inherently heavy. In Ashtanga Hridayam, Vagbhata says, Bhavatyalpendhano dhatun sapached vayuneritah ato himesmin seveta swadvamla lavanan rasan. This means, in the case of alpa indhana or low quality and quantity of food in the body, this excessive Agni within starts to digest the dhatus or the building blocks of the body. This affects the Vata dosha severely and could lead to diseases. In order to avoid this from happening, one should consume foods that are svadu, sweet, amla, sour, and lavana, salty. On top of these rasas, Charaka Samhita also suggests the consumption of snigdha or oily foods in order to satisfy the excessive digestive fire within the belly. Coming to the exact kinds of foods that need to be consumed, Charaka Samhita says, Gorasan ikshu vikritihi vasam tailam navaudanam hemante bhyasya tasyoyam ushnam chayurna hiyate. By consuming milk products, food items made up of sugarcane and jaggery, freshly harvested rice, fatty and oily food substances, and warm water, one can prevent early aging and diseases in the Hemanta Rutu. The next shloka talks about the food guidelines for those who consume meat and alcohol. Bile shayanam mamsani prasahanam bhrutani cha bhakshayen madiram shidhu madhum chanu piben naraha. This means meat of animals that live in burrows and of animals that eat by snatching their prey should be consumed. Those who consume alcohol, madira, should make sure that it is based on sugarcane, shidhu, and honey, madhu. Vagbhata also gives the following suggestion in Ashtanga Hridayam. Dairghyan nishana metarhi pratareva bubhukshitah avashyakaryam sambhavya yathoktam shilaye danu. This means during winter, as the nights are longer, the body feels hungry immediately after getting up from bed. After finishing the morning routine, one should consume an early breakfast following the suggestions mentioned before. He also says, Vatagna tailairabhyangam murdhni taila vimardanam niyuddham kushalaihi sardham padaghatam cha yuktitaha. In this season, one has to perform abhyanga, body massage, with oils which reduce the Vata dosha. These are called as Vatagna tailas. Head and foot massages with these kinds of oils before a warm bath will also keep the doshas balanced in the winter season. On top of these guidelines, both Charaka Samhita and Ashtanga Hridayam suggest simple tips like wearing warm and thick clothing, keeping the interiors of the house warm, and sunbathing to keep the Vata dosha balanced during the winter season. I hope you found this video useful. Share it across with people whom you think might benefit from this. If you wish to support the production of more videos like these, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon or make a one-time contribution, all through the links in the description below. Also, consider subscribing to the Sanskrit channel, where we explore hidden gems in the vast world of diverse Sanskrit literature. See you in the next video. Namaskaram.